channel, Keep My Life in Order. Today's video, guys, we're doing a spring clean and decorate with me. You guys, I have fallen in love with this new product, and it's the EverSpring brand, and I can find it from Target. You guys, it's like really environmental friendly, and I love the way it smells. You guys, it smells amazing. You guys, it has a very the scent I have is a lemon scent, and I love it so much. And so this is one of my staple items that I've completely fallen in love with, and you can find this product again, like I said, at Target. But in today's video, you guys, I'm going to do a little like deep cleaning slash spring cleaning slash we're going to decorate. And so I'm really excited about it because I have been collecting some things for the past like month or so, and so now it's time for me to put some things together. So I hope you guys like the video, and let's get started. Fact, you guys, if you want to add a little bit more freshness to your sofa or your love seat, all you have to do is place some dryer sheets up under the pillows. You guys, I promise you, your room is going to smell, your sofa is going to smell just a little bit fresher. So that's just a fun fact. Okay, you guys, I have been so extremely busy here lately, and I really wanted to do a spring haul, a spring decor haul. I just didn't have the opportunity to do it, but the items and the pieces that you'll see here, I got them from Target. I got pieces from Ross. I got pieces from Roses. I got pieces from Wayfair.com. I got pieces from Big Lots. I got a lot of different pieces from a lot of different places because I have just been collecting things over the past month. So the color scheme that I wanted to go through and go for in the living room is like a lemon type color, not exactly yellow, but I was looking for like that lemon color and a soft gray. I really wanted to go with lemon lime. Actually, that's what I was looking for, a lemon lime color, but it was just so hard for me to find like the lime pillows. Now they had a lot of the lime pillow cases, where you can pillow covers. And so I think what I'm gonna start doing, because you guys, pillows are very expensive, I think I'm gonna start ordering the pillow covers, and then that way, as the season change, all I have to do is change out my pillow covers. Plus, that'll be most affordable. So I think that's what I'm gonna have to start doing. But this is the colors that I chose, and I'm gonna have just, of course, I got to have my henna white. My white is just like everything. But yeah, I was really, really excited about going with this scheme, because it makes my rooms look so much brighter, and it looks so crisp in here. And so I really, really like the colors that I chose for this spring in my living room. All right, you guys, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will have some more spring decor videos coming out really, really soon, so look forward to seeing those. And I thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.